Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will discuss about if your iPhone is not producing a notification sound for messages. So guys, follow this video step by step. First of all, check the volume. Ensure your iPhone volume is turned up, and also check iPhone is the silent or not. You can see here. Now guys, second thing, check notifications and go to setting, and guys, tap on notification, and now scroll down and tap on messages, and make sure allow notification turn on. Now scroll down and tap on sounds here. Make sure your any text sound selected, anyone not selected, none here. After that, go back, and now go back from here, and now go back, and now guys, tap on sound and haptics. Now guys, change iMessage notification sound. Here is now change any notification sound, change anyone you want. Now after selecting, simply go back. Now go back. Now close this window and see next solution. Open control center, check do not disturb. If do not disturb is on, now turn off do not disturb and see next solution. If your problem not solved, guys, simply restart your iPhone volume down button and power button, press and hold, and you will see the screen. Simply slide here and turn off your iPhone. After few seconds, turn back on. I hope your problem will be solved. So guys, see the next solution. Open setting application, scroll down and tap on general and tap on software update. Guys, if software update is available, now update your software. Guys, because not updating the iPhone can also cause this problem. Now go back, and after that, scroll down and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all setting. Guys, any problem inside your mobile, after reset all setting will be solved. Any problem inside iMessage, inside any other application will be solved. Any problem. I hope this video helpful for you. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.